So I'm going to try out a new product that I've seen online. I've yet to try it out myself, but I'm very interested to see how it works. It's called tire eject. There is nothing worse and more aggravating than a tire that goes flat. Evidently I've run over a nail or something because it goes flat overnight now. And I do not have the patience to deal with this. So I'm actually going to, best I can tell, it's got looks like about a 16 penny nail hole in it. So no nail in it, but I've looked online and I've watched several videos of this stuff, and you can pretty well shoot a tire there and it'll fix it. So this stuff's pretty damn expensive. It was like 45 bucks for 4 packs, 8-ounce packs. So I think a backhoe tire is 12 to 16 ounces. So I'm going to I'll probably just experiment and put 2 of them in here for right now and see what it does. So according to the instructions, I know that's the first that I've actually read the instructions, but it says to remove the valve stem, because it's got to have the little applicator kit thingamadoodad screws onto the valve stem, and evidently the crap that's in there will not go in there with the valve stem. Kind of doohickey we got there. Oh yeah. I guess I just fill it up and push it in there. I don't hold with 2 ounces. Yeah, this is going to take a little while. Be 4 syringes per tire. So let's see how well this works. We'll put it in here, air it up, and I've got to use it some, so it should find that leak hopefully. I mean, it's a pretty bad leak. You can hear it, hear the air coming out. Sounds almost like that. God, that stinks. All right. Nifty. Now, I think I just pinch that so it don't, ooh. Isn't that a fancy color? How am I guess I should have screwed it on. I probably should have screwed it on before I did that. I may have just screwed up. Good job, Chris. Yeah, I think, oh yeah, I definitely screwed that one up. That's going to be a little bit of a pain in the ass. Well, we know how to fix this, don't we? That's not too bad. My valve stem is a little hard to... There we go. Okay. Note to self, attach this first before you get all excited. One. Good stuff. It may just pour in, I don't know. Oh, it's just pouring in itself. Yeah, like pouring money down the drain right here. Hope this stuff works. That was 1 pack. I'm gonna go ahead and put another one in. Don't want to do this again. Yeah, it's gonna work. Probably push that in there a little quicker, like so. It gurgles a little bit. It's got like pieces of Kevlar in it. On the back of one of those cards, I was reading it. It says it's like a latex. I think I'm right. Alright, that was 20 bucks worth of sealant I just put in there. I'm going to save this so that I can use this again. Best thing I probably need to do is just buy a gallon jug of it. And that's what I probably will do if this works. Is buy a gallon jug of it. We'll see what happens though. I'll put this in here and I'll fire up the air compressor. And air this bad boy up. And drive around. We'll get a video tomorrow and see what happens. One thing I just noticed, the little black end that I unscrewed is actually a valve stem remover. Isn't that nifty? Let's do a slow-mo. We'll speed it up and you watch the tire pump up. Oh, it's pumping up now. Look at it go. Look at the bucket coming off the ground. Raising right up. Alright, well, I just checked the air in it and it was right at 50 psi, so I'm going to drive it around and use it a little bit, and I'll check it tomorrow. Like I said, it was going flat overnight, so I'll see if it drops any, and hopefully it will not be flat. Stay tuned. So check this shit out. It's still holding air. That's pretty impressive. I'm happy. I guess you can say I'm a satisfied customer. I will definitely have to try that again. Next time, well, I got a lawnmower tire. It goes flat like instantly. I may put it in it and try that next. Well, I don't have to worry about that going flat now.